The crisis is being handled.
Donald Trump expressing confidence his administration has the coronavirus under control, even as the number of new cases is surging across much of the nation.
We have some areas where we're putting out the flames or the fires, and that's working out well. We're working very closely with governors.
One of those hotspots, Florida, which shattered records Thursday when it reported more than 10,000 new cases. It's the biggest one-day increase in the Sunshine State since the pandemic began, with the percentage of all tests coming back positive skyrocketing to 15%.
If you go back to March, when we kind of faced the initial wave of this, I mean, we had very few tests relative to what we have now. Now hospitals test anyone that comes in for something they can test. You know, between the state, we're doing 10, 15,000 tests a day.
But a member of the White House's coronavirus task force believes the current spike is not because of more testing.
There is no question that the more testing you get, the more you will uncover. But we do believe this is a real increase in cases because the percent positivities are going up. So this is real increases in cases.
Nationwide, the U.S. broke its own single-day record, topping 50,000 new infections in the last 24 hours. Sunbelt states fueling a resurgence of the virus, now reversing course on reopenings, once again shuttering bars and other businesses where COVID-19 is thought to spread easily. It comes as health experts warn about a perfect storm this holiday weekend, with Americans gathering for 4th of July festivities. Right now, plans are still on for the president's celebration in Washington, where he's promising one of the largest fireworks displays ever. There will be 300,000 face masks available for free to those who want them, but people won't be required to wear them. Despite growing calls from his own allies to wear one, the president has remained barefaced in public, even though he says,
People have seen me wearing one. Actually, I had a mask on. I sort of liked the way I looked. Okay, I look like the Lone Ranger.
He's the president of the United States, and people are not around him close, and the people who are around are tested. I don't think he needs to wear a mask.
But Trump is encouraging other Americans to cover their faces. He says if greater mask wearing, physical distancing, testing, and hand washing is implemented,
The hot spots can be calmed quickly.
For City News, I'm Caryn Ceolin.